Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we have another Dollar Tree video to show y'all what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is 3 Dollar Tree stores combined into one video, and we live in the DFW area. So let's go shopping and see what's new. In apparel and accessories, we have some more of the Novelty crew socks. They had the Barbie socks that fit shoe size 9 to 13. And then these Bowie socks, they actually had these in men and women's sizes. So make sure you check the tag. It will be gender specific at the top. We have some Disney cruise socks. There's Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. And then the Marvel cruise socks with the Deadpool. They had their earmuffs in. This is the first time I've seen the fluffy earmuffs here in Texas. They had the light gray, very soft pink. There's also the cheetah print and black. And now we'll see what's new in the arts and crafts and restocks. They had more of their polymer clay. This is the baked clay with the assorted colors. They had a few different packs of those, and you get 5 different colors per packet. They also restocked these squeeze applicator bottles. There's 2 fluid ounces for each bottle, and the water brush pens. You get those in the 2-pack as well. Lots of different skeins of yarn, and they had a whole bunch of their crafting wood pieces restocked. Quite a few different sizes to DIY with. They had their 3-pack of the glitter pots restocked in the blue. They had this really soft lime green, also the gold and pink, and they're different sizes and styles of glitter in each of the pots. They have like star-shaped hearts and then the traditional glitter. Baby and toddler gear, we had some Spider-Man nightlights. They also had the Disney Frozen, and you could get the Paw Patrol nightlight. There was Disney Princess. They had a bunch of the Cinderella lights, and then these are the 5-pack tub treads from Disney. This one's Minnie Mouse. They had a couple other packs recently, like Shrek, and they had Lilo and Stitch. These were originally from Walmart. They still had the tags on them. Over in health and beauty, cosmetics, hair care, and pharmacy and personal care items, we'll check those all out together and combine them into this one section here. We had these Yanni nail and art bar by the Burlesque brand or style, I should say. They had a bunch of the multi-chrome effect powder that you could put on your nails. There was like some really bright pinks and reds. They had some glitter purple. There's also a bunch of different salon effect rhinestones and charms. The charms are really pretty. They also had a bunch of these stickers, like a 3D style sticker that says transform your nail in just seconds. And you can see they had a couple different packs of the stickers. There was like pink, gold, the white with the gold, or you can get different nails. There's like the stiletto, and they had different names to go along with the play on of the burlesque type show. So I thought that was kind of cute. They had a bunch of different names for each of them. They had the designs as well with like showgirls. They had rhinestones, a different lace to mimic some of their costumes and things like that. So they were pretty interesting. You get 14 wraps in each box of wraps, and then there's a different number of nails in the boxes. I also found this face and body liquid bronzer, and they had these new packs of lip contour kit, a matte lip colored lipstick with a liner. You can get this one here in the nude, or they have more of like a dark wine color. Also, they had the Be Pure bronzer drops in this container here, and some new dual bristle brushes, which I had not seen before. These have obviously the plastic bristles, and then there's traditional bristles for the hairbrush, and those come in like 3 different color hairbrushes. These mini faux leather scrunchies, and the clips are back in. These clips don't leave marks in the hair. You have the Scunchie brand headband with the white with the black trim, and you can get that with a coordinating scrunchie, as you can see here, or you can get it in the reverse color with the black headband with the white trim. And of course they have the matching scrunchie, which goes along with this headband as well. And these are all just $1.25. Then they had this really large alligator style clip, which I thought was pretty. It's gold with this extra large pearl on the end. Or you can get these matte claw clips by Scunchie for the $1.25. They had them in black and in the white. And then for the fun finds this week, just some novelty style items that you can find up near the register. They had the 5-pack erasers that were the farm animals. They also had the sea creatures. There was this pack here with the different like astronauts and aliens. And then they had the sweet treats with cupcakes and ice cream. Or you can get the safari animals with the like lions and elephants. And then they had the fast food with pizza, hamburgers, and soda. These are candy moyo bath spaghetti. Apple scented is the orange. So think of it like a bath bomb. They'll dissolve in the water. The pink one is the blueberry scented, which is kind of an odd scent for the color scheme. The lavender scent are the purple ones. For home decor this week, I found these gorgeous little vases. These are so pretty. They look almost like fall, and they have a kind of a primitive look to them with the raffia and the cute button. They have them in the amber, the forest green or hunter green, and the light blue. You can see them next to the large cylinder vase to see how big they are. They have these candle holders back in the white and black. They had quite a few of these. Usually when they're gone, they're gone. And they sell out pretty quickly. They brought back the tapier candle holders. And now we'll check out what's new in the office supplies and home library section. They had this new teaching tree books, this grade 1 addition book. You can use these over and over again to practice your addition facts, your little ones. They have the dry erase marker that comes with it, which is really nice. Also for the little ones, there's the Bible paint with water books, and there's like sea creatures and like cats and dogs. They had these puzzle sticker books and lots of these little people big dreams books. They had Elvis Presley and Stevie Wonder. There's also Jane Austen, Hans Christian Andersen. You could also get the Bruce Lee book, which is this yellow one here. And then Stevie Wonder, which I think I already mentioned at the beginning with he was next to the Elvis Presley book. There was the J.R.R. Tolkien and Nikolai Tesla. So a whole bunch of these books, and they're not necessarily together. So make sure you check through all the books so you can find the whole collection there. For housewares, they have more of these wall hanging hooks, and like a few weeks ago I showed you guys, they're starting to sell these in different colors now. Traditionally most of them were just in either the black or the gold. Now they have them in silver also, or the chrome. They have more of these storage straps. These are the Velcro storage straps. You get 2 pieces. There's 2 different sizes. Or these Oasis vanity organizers. It's 2 compartments with the bamboo lid. Also, we've got the pine saw dish brush where you can put soap inside. And then for the kitchen and pantry section, we have a bunch of these water bottles. There's Minecraft, Avengers, Lilo and Stitch, and Harry Potter. These large tumblers, which look sort of like a Stanley. They had them in pink, blue, red, and green. And then these crosses are extra large refrigerator magnets, which I thought were really cute for $1.25. They all have different sayings and like flower motif and designs on each of the cross magnets that you see here, and those all are just $1.25. Now for the party supplies this week, not a whole lot new. They're putting out some of their items for New Year's that say let's party, like these headbands in the gold. They have pink, also silver, lots of glitter, and again those come in the 4-pack. They have some of these novelty straws that say cheers. They have them in pink and in a light green, and a whole bunch of streamers with the confetti. Usually they just have the solid confetti streamers or just the solid color streamers. Now they have the confetti and the happy birthday streamers, the bubble bottles here that say cheers, and then some new gift bags with the polka dots. They have the pink and light blue or the black and white with the silver and gold. And there are also some wine bottle bags restocked. For the pet care this week, also not a whole lot new there. We've seen these blankets. They always bring them out around Christmas time. They have more of these at the store this week. So if you haven't got one yet, they should still be stocking them, because I just saw a bunch of boxes go back out this week. And then a whole bunch of like large squeaker toys that mimic food. There's the marshmallow puff bag of marshmallows. There's some pickles. They have the Kraft mac and cheese and the Heinz ketchup. And then they have these larger ones for the dogs. If you notice next to the large ketchup, there's the ketchup and mustard. Those are the smaller ones for the cats. The seasonal items, they are putting out still a few of the Christmas items. They restocked the DIY wooden stickers, which are always really popular. These canister containers in blue, red, silver, and gold, and a whole bunch of the cookie containers and miniature, kind of like an old fashioned style looking lunchbox with the clasp. All of those have been restocked, and then they had more novelty cups this week, which are really cute. They look like a snow globe at the top, and there were 3 different ones. You can get a gingerbread man, a Christmas tree, or a snowman with the fake faux snow inside. These LED snowflake lights are so pretty. They had a bunch of these, and the snowflake is about as big as the palm of my hand, so a little bit bigger than the ones they usually have out. They also have the bulb garland, which is 6 feet long in 2 different colors. They're starting to put out some of their Valentine's Day items. These are LED lights, and they all look like rosettes. You could either get the white, the red, or the pink. And it does come with the battery. They're not super bright. I don't know if you can tell here. The one at the top is lit, and then the one at the bottom is not. So you can see the center is just a little bit brighter, but the lights in the store were also bright, which made it kind of hard to photograph. Then we had some more of the Christmas items. They have these galvanized steel yard stakes. There was a gnome, a little sign here with the camper and a Christmas tree that says Merry Christmas. They had the car with the tree on top, and then these little galvanized metal stands. They had a Christmas tree, the truck with the tree, and a reindeer. Also for $1.25, they had these fur stockings. They had them in gray, solid white, or red with the pom-pom that hangs down the back for just $1.25. And this galvanized metal steel sign looks like a reindeer and some metallic greenery. They had rose gold, gold, and silver. They had a few different designs of leaves all together, and these are mixed in through all like the poinsettias and greenery that they have out right now. So you'll kind of have to check through all of it to find them. For toys and games, they had a bunch of these miniature Minecraft characters, and the little ones really like to play, or even teens like to play Minecraft quite often. They have all the characters that you could collect. I believe there is 5 in all, and they did have all of them that I noticed from the back of the card with the container there. They also had this crossbow with 6 foam darts, a bunch of the Tsum Tsum stuffies, and then they had a bunch of yo-yos, which are really nice. They had the Disney Princess yo-yo. You could also get Spider-Man. And then there was the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Minnie Mouse. And that is it for that section. Now let's go to the Dollar Tree Plus section. Today I found these unicorn voice controlled lights. There are 18 different colors. They had this fun hover shot target game, also 4 in a row, which is basically like Connect 4. It's all wood. They had the Trouble game in a couple different styles like SpongeBob and Ninja Turtles. They had the Vessel water bottles for 5 for children. These are a little bit smaller water bottles. Also, these classic games, magnetic sculptures. And they had the stuffed Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle dolls. And I would say these are about 8 inches tall. So they're not super small. And they're $5. Really well made as well. I love how each one has a different emotion on their face. They're really cute. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a lovely Christmas with your family. Please stay safe. And if you celebrate, Merry Christmas to all of you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.